Today Christmas came early. Okay, nope, I hate that. I hate it so much. I hate intros. Hello, and welcome to my makeup. How many different ways can I say hello? Today is a haul day. I basically got my Christmas early. My birthday is 10 days before Christmas, so it gets kind of mashed together with the holiday. I got this coupon in the mail. I'm just like, I know what I want for Christmas. I want makeup so that I can bring it on this channel and do videos, review it, do looks, all that stuff. So my husband and I went to Ulta and it was just glorious. And brought home a big bag of stuff. I've got the Morphe 35B. I have the Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. I have two Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. There were two that came out recently that I was really excited about. And the first one was Norvina, and then the Sultry palette. Look at that box. I mean, the box tells you that it's going to be gorgeous. And then I was gonna wait a really long time before purchasing any of these just because the reviews were just so all over the place and there was drama attached, but with that coupon I just couldn't help myself and I broke down and I bought one of the Jaclyn Hill, wow, one of the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes. Just one. I didn't get the whole vault, just one. I got the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And that is what we're going to be using today. So here's the palette. And there's the colors. You can't even see that shimmer color because my lights are so bright. So I chose this one for a reason. I picked up this palette and I went back and forth swatching the Jaclyn Hill palettes and this palette. I mean, my arms were covered in swatches. I was only going to get one Jaclyn Hill palette. I went back and forth swatching this palette, swatching the original Jaclyn Hill palette, and the Vault palettes. After literally spending a good 20 to 30 minutes like swatching my arms, this was the most unique. I didn't have anything else that had these colors in it. So that's why I went with this one. I still haven't cleaned my brushes. I'm going to do that soon. I keep saying that. I really will, eventually. If you can hear my dogs barking, I had to kick them outside because they were very naughty in the house. So they're probably running around my backyard, which is right outside this window, and they'll be barking and I can't do anything about it. I'm gonna go into this yellow color here. It's called Access. And I'm using the Morphe R37. It's just one of the fluffier brushes. And I'm gonna lay down a transition above my crease. It's really cold in my basement as usual, and I had the heater on for a little bit because my nose is running due to how cold it is, but then I got hot, but my nose is still running. If it's not allergies, it's cold air and my nose is running. My nose runs constantly. I just can't even do anything about it. On my Morphe M441, I'm going to go into Agent. That's that orange color right there. And I'm going to put that just below where I put the yellow. We're kind of going for an ombre effect. Using my Morphe M433, I'm going to go into Secure, and that is going to go directly in the crease and down onto the eye a little. Morphe M506. I'm going to go into Prowl. It's that dark brown, and I'm going to put it right along my lash line. Okay, changing brushes. I'm going to take a pencil brush, the Morphe E18. I want to lay down the color, and then I'll be blending it up and blending it into those colors. I'm not liking this at all. I need a different brush. Going back into Secure with the same brush that I used before for it, and I'm going to try to blend that brown into the orange. On my Morphe E17, I'm going to go into Smooth Criminal. It's kind of a more orangey, warm brown, and I'm going to take that right above the dark brown that I used. I'm going to do this very carefully because I don't want to get it everywhere. Just going back in with Access, the yellow color, just to kind of do the final blend. I'm going in with, it's by IBY Beauty. It's a crease brush. Got it in Nipsey a million years ago. And I'm going into Secure. I'm going to go into Secure and go underneath my eye and connect that with the upper. Alright, now with my Morphe E36, it's a small pencil brush. I'm going back into Prowl. That was that darkest brown color. And I'm going to put that right up against the lash line, as close and tight as I can get it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these colors. They are just gorgeous. You can actually see my highlight today. It's so pretty. That's Flower Beauty. I love Flower Beauty. Alright, and now with my Morphe E17, I'm going to go into Access, the yellow color, and further blend out the bottom lash line. Finish this eye look off, I am taking my Morphe M213 itty bitty brush into VIP. It's this really sparkly, shiny, shimmery white shade, and I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm not doing my usual thing where I take it into the eye look. We're just doing the corners. right, I'm done with the eyeshadow. I'm going to finish up my eyes and I'll be right back. All right, I am back and obviously my eyes are done. So what do we think of the final results? The tutorial that I looked at that I based this look on was by Angela Bright. It seems that she specializes in eyes because all of her eye looks are so beautiful. Anytime a new palette comes out, I go check her out and see what she's done with it because she comes up with ideas that, I don't know, I guess I'm too dull to come up with them. But I did actually kind of screw up the look. I was supposed to use this pretty green color called Top Secret on the bottom lash line, but I used the brown instead. Whoops. I still think it turned out absolutely beautiful though. I am absolutely in love with this look. I mean, it screams fall, makes my eyes look bluer. I love it so much. I really enjoyed what I used of this palette. I used almost all of the mattes. The only matte I didn't use was the green color. And really the only one that I kind of had issues with was Prowl. And that's this dark brown color right here. It kind of didn't want to go on, and then when I tried blending over it, it started to get a little patchy. So it was just a lot of apply, blend, apply more, blend. So it was a little harder to work with. But as far as the controversy with the bad quality palettes, I felt like they worked really well. Obviously, I only used one shimmer color and there's 3 more in here and they are so beautiful. So I will do more looks using this palette. I love it so far. I think it's just as good a quality as her mother palette, which is behind me because I love it so much. Anyway, I would say that that palette is worth the $15 that it costs at Ulta. You can get a discount on it if you purchase it from Morphe and you purchase the entire vault. It's super affordable makeup no matter whether you get a discount or not. Okay, well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you like this look. I'll give you kind of a close-up look. I'm in love with it. I think it's beautiful. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!